If you want your knees to stop stiffening up and aching while you walk, you need to strengthen your butt. Let me explain. Knee pain is like a domino effect. The pain often starts after a small, like a minor injury that never properly recovers because of excessive inflammation. And this is something that most people totally overlook, and they're so often unaware that they completely ignore it. So this issue is never then resolved, and the pain just keeps getting worse. You start limping, you start walking funny just to avoid feeling that pain in your knees, and then the next domino falls. The muscles around your knee are now overcompensating for that painful, weakened knee, and then this causes an imbalance in other muscles. So your body is continuing to look for support to help you while you're walking along. And then the next domino to go is your hip, which is supported by the muscles that are in your butt. And as we age, one of the most common issues we see is losing muscle mass in our gluteal muscles. Some people jokingly call this the flat butt syndrome. But having strong gluteal muscles is about more than how you fill out your jeans. It's about stabilizing your hips. It's about reducing strain on those aching knees. Weak gluteal muscles shift the workload to your quads, which increases pressure on your knees, and that can even accelerate arthritis and arthritis pain. Now, here's a tip. Many people think that when they're working on their glutes with exercises like squats, but they're actually overworking their quadricep muscles. Instead, focus on targeted movements that actually work the glutes, like glute bridges. I have linked my step-by-step plan for you right here to help you. So when you do these exercises, you want to feel the burn in your glutes, not in your thighs. Strengthen your glutes. It'll also strengthen the muscles in your leg, and it will help to strengthen and support those weak knees of yours. Start small, stay consistent. Your knees will appreciate it, and you're going to want to keep your body moving to keep those joints lubricated and greased. Try low impact activities like walking or swimming, or even using an elliptical machine. Keep your knees in good shape without overloading them too much. Now, the cartilage around your joints doesn't have its own blood supply. It gets its nutrients from the fluid in your joints. So when you move, that fluid circulates, it delivers that nutrition to your cartilage that it needs to stay healthy. And here's another tip. If walking hurts, try focusing on activation of those glutes with each step. Start with short walks and then begin to build up. Even 10 minutes a day with that glute activation while you walk can make a huge difference. So now let's work our way down to your toes. Toe strength might seem unrelated to the health of your knees, but it's actually critical. Your feet are the foundation of your body, and weak toes and feet can lead to instability that travels up the chain, which eventually stresses your knees. Spend some time barefoot at home, curling and spreading your toes. Toe tapping exercises, or even picking up small objects or scrunching up a towel with your toes can help to improve the strength and coordination in your feet. And strong toes also means better balance, less strain on your knees, greater confidence with every step that you take. And speaking of strength, in case no one has told you yet, it is never too late to start strength training. Weightlifting is not about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about maintaining your muscle mass and your bone density to help keep your joints supported. So whatever muscle you build now will help keep your joints supported well into your future. Just start with light body weight exercises like squats or lunges, and gradually add light weights or resistance bands into the mix. If traditional gym workouts feel intimidating, resistance bands can be a great alternative. So can water-based or strength training programs in the water as well. The goal is to challenge your muscles just enough to keep them strong without injuring them. And while you're strengthening your body, listen, it won't hurt to add a few natural herbs to help reduce the excessive inflammation that's causing that joint pain. You can check out a few of my favorites right here in this video.